create your content. Today we're going to answer one of the simplest questions about the CapCut application. It is how to create or how to use keyframes. This is the CapCut. Basically, you import all the materials you need, from sounds to music to logos to elements, whatever it is. Let's go ahead. I will try the video. For example, I want to highlight that position, a small position. Come here in one portion of the video. I need to click on the video itself. Of course, I need to drag this navigator over here to the position I want. Come here to this video tab, basic, and here come to this add keyframe, as you can see it. And then I'll need to actually zoom in a little bit. So I want, for example, to zoom in and then zoom out. So I'll come here, add another keyframe, and then I'll come at the end and zoom, add another keyframe, so zoom out at this point, because I want to see the end of the video from a bigger perspective. But for example, I want to scale on this. Yeah, so I'm gonna scale all the way here, for example. Yeah, and then I'm going to the second one over here. I want to zoom out, so I'm gonna return the video to how it used to be, and I'm gonna just play the video. Do you see that? It zoomed in and it zoomed out. You can do a lot of things with this. Keyframes are easy to use and a very basic skill for pro editors. Very easy to use. Let me know if you don't know anything about CapCut or anything about video production. Feel free to share down in the comments below what is that you don't know, and we will get into a specific video for it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.